Hey there, mythology enthusiasts. Ever seen a serpent eating its own tail? That's the Ouroboros. This ancient symbol is packed with mystery and meaning, so let's dive right in. The Ouroboros dates back to ancient Egypt, but it's found its way into many cultures and mythologies. Imagine a snake or dragon forming a perfect circle by devouring its own tail. It's visually captivating, but what does it symbolize? First off, the Ouroboros represents eternity and the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. Think about it, by consuming itself, it's constantly renewing. In ancient Egypt, it was linked to the sun god Ra, who was born each morning and died each night, but the symbolism doesn't stop there. In Greek philosophy, the Ouroboros took on a new meaning. The pre-Socratic philosopher Heraclitus saw it as a symbol of unity of opposites, life in death, creation and destruction. It's a reminder that endings are just new beginnings in disguise. In alchemy, the Ouroboros is a powerful emblem of the alchemist's quest for the philosopher's stone, the ultimate transformation and enlightenment. To the alchemists, it wasn't just about turning lead into gold, but achieving a deeper spiritual rebirth. Let's not forget its presence in Norse mythology. The Midgard serpent, Jormungandr, is a giant serpent encircling the world, biting its own tail. When Jormungandr releases its tail, it signals the end of the world, or Ragnarok. Crazy, right? The Ouroboros has also found its way into modern culture. From literature to tattoos, it's a symbol that speaks to our innate understanding of cycles and renewal. When you see the Ouroboros, it's like a cosmic nudge, reminding us of the infinite loop of existence. So next time you spot this intriguing symbol, you'll know it's not just about a serpent with a peculiar diet, it's a deep, mystical emblem that binds together ancient wisdom, philosophical thought, and spiritual insight. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the ancient symbol of the Ouroboros. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mythical explorations. Until next time, keep seeking the secrets of the past.